Hey guys, it's Debbie and I'm going to work on a 24 by 36 size painting, a nice big one. And I am going to be pouring on. I have some paints thinned down and I got it kind of hanging over the cups. I'm just going to, all I've done is taken my paints and thinned them down so they're kind of fluid so I can pour them on there and move them around. And I guess you'll have to wait and see what's going to happen because I don't even know. But anyways, I'm only going to work with, at this point, with only 4 colors. Now I've already put this canvas I've painted on it before, so I put a very thin coat of white on, so in some spots you might be able to see through right now. But at the end, I don't know if you guys, I feel sometimes on the old paintings, when pieces of the old paintings do show up, it adds some depth. So I'm not sure if anything's going to show up on this or not, but it might. And if it does, maybe I'll like it. Anyways, that's it. All I've done is thin my paints down with some water so I can move them around. And most likely I'll probably use no brushes, or I like to use a credit card in my hands most of the time, but we'll see. Maybe I'll change my mind. So I'm going to put okay, guys, I've decided I probably won't do any talking on this because it's probably going to take a little while, and I think I'll probably end up speeding it ahead a little bit at times. So I won't bore you guys too much. Anyways, that's what the plan is. So I am going to put my... All right, guys, here it is. This is the finished painting. See if I can get it. You saw the finish. I'll show you some close-up of it. And let me try something. I'm going to turn this light off. Ah, you can still see it. Good. There's light coming in the window, but... Okay, so... I will probably... hang it like this way maybe. But anyways, this is some of the detail of it. I tried to make it look really like the like way far out in the solar system there, and by moving the paints and putting them on kind of thin and moving them like that, that'll give you that cloudy effect. And then when I shook some of the leftover paint off of the credit card I was using, and that's where this is kind of like these little dots came from. So anyways, that's again, all the paints were just thinned down with some water. Now if you think your paints are getting too thin, put a little paint medium in there, and that'll help things, you know, if you're concerned over that. I've done a lot of these paintings over the years, so I know what this is going to end up like. But I do know if I need to, if you get it too thin, you should put some paint medium in. But this time it's fine. So anyways, guys, thank you for stopping by. Hope you enjoyed. Bye-bye.